Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies for you ngayong first 6 months ng 2025, first half. So that's January to June 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay. Leo, first half ng 2025. What are the energies? Second house. So, main focus ay resources, your money, your finances, source of income, your properties, your values. You also have Venus here, so makes sense. If Venus is in your second house, it means na merong mga opportunities for you to generate more money. Magkaroon ng mas maraming opportunity sa pera, sa trabaho. And also, yung iba, meron din kayong mga gagawing pamamaraan para mas ma-level up nyo ang inyong value. So, paano ba mag-level up ng value natin? 'Di ba? It can be in your physical appearance. Pwede rin sa iyong intellectual knowledge, 'di ba? Yung skill set mo. Oo. Let's say meron kang aaraling skill set, baking, dressmaking, o parang TESDA lang, no? Welding. So, yung value mo a few months ago na wala kang alam sa mga ganong skills, at the moment na matutunan mo yung skills na yun, tataas yung value mo. Kasi marami ka nang kayang gawin. So that's how you appreciate your value or how you improve or level up your value. So that's what I'm saying for you. Ngayong first half ng 2025, magdadagdag ka ng kaalaman, abilities, or you will be exploring your talents, your skills, or yung iba sa inyo pwedeng magbi-business. Meron kayong bagong source of income. Yung iba, this is a business related to health and beauty, skincare, wellness, okay, or finances. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, magtatayo kayo ng utangan. Lending company. O yung iba, magkakaroon kayo sarili nyong brand ng skincare or whatever products na makakatulong sa well-being ng isang tao. So, you also have solar calm. This is clarification, clarity. So, magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan sa mga bagay na gusto mong i-pursue ngayong first half ng 2025. January to June. Oo. And I think gagawin mo to ng step by step, gradually. Oo. Kasi you know what you want. Ayun, may nagbabago na rin talaga sa mo, sa iyong mga gustong gawin. Let's see. You have the 7 of Wands. 7 of Wands is protecting your energies. Being more, yung parang defensive in a way na ayaw mong merong makialam sa mga plano mo. Kasi pwedeng iba sa inyo, hinayaan nyo na merong makialam sa mga plano nyo and it turned out na hindi naging successful. No? So, ngayon, you are really protecting your energies, you are protecting your plans. You have the Apprentice of Cups. So, Page of Cups, this is about your yung hopes and dreams mo. So, marami ka ngayong pangarap na pinoprotektahan. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong iiwasan na tao. Iiwasan na ang daming aces. Oh my God. Leo, new beginnings. New beginnings. Medyo kayo ngayon. Ngayong first half ng 2025. Yung alam mo yung umiiwas sa drama, umiiwas sa stress, umiiwas sa gulo. Because you just want to focus on yung meaningful conversation, meaningful situation, meaningful activities, yung mga makabuluhang bagay. Oo. Ayaw mo ng ano, ayaw mo na ng drama, ayaw mo na ng mga katoksikan sa buhay. So, kumbaga, makakita ka pa lang ng ganyang sitwasyon o tao, iiwasan mo na. Oo. Some of you, merong mga learning opportunities dito. Pwedeng mag-aaral ka. Itong pag-aaral na to, hindi naman kailangan sa school. Officially, this can be self-taught, no? Yung parang ikaw yung mismong magtuturo sa sarili mo. This can be online. Yung iba, you are going to start a business. Pwedeng ito ay online business. That's why yung iba ay pinag-aaralan nyo tong maigi. Very, very, very careful. And meron ditong, maaring merong person who will try to talk to you para kumbinsihin ka. Pero I think natuto ka na sa experiences mo. Hindi ka na maniniwala sa taong to. Whoever that is. Pwedeng sa business yan, pwedeng sa relationship. Yes, look at that. Yung mental force mo, spiritual insights, wise judgment. So, you are wiser. You know what's best for you. You know what's not. Okay? Meron ding travel opportunities for you. Freedom. Breaking free. Maaring itong travel opportunities for you ay magdadala ng bagong or magbibigay ng bagong perspective sa buhay mo. Youth. Breaking free na naman. Oh my God. Happening now. So yes, I think ngayon nangyayari na yan. Di mo na kailangang hintayin hanggang June. But itong timeline na to, itong time frame na to, January to June, yan. Diyan mo yan ma-experience. You are also moving on. Okay? Some of you, lilipat ng bahay, lilipat ng trabaho. You will start something new, definitely. This can be a new job, new career, new business, new house. Pwede ring new relationship, but I don't think new relationship for some of you, no? This can be a new life without a partner. Okay? So, pwede kasing in the past, nagkaroon kayo ng separation from someone, and now you want to experience yung pagiging malaya. Oo, kasi kapag meron tayong karelasyon, syempre may limitation tayo. Hindi tayo malayang magagawa yung gusto natin. Kasi syempre we have to respect our partner. Same with your partner, na hindi rin siya ganun ka malaya na magawa yung gusto niya. Kasi syempre, you also have to set boundaries, 'di ba? So, yung iba, you are going to be free on your own, doing things on your own, living the life that you want. Yung iba mag-a-abroad. Oo, maaring may offer din sa abroad, a new career path. And I think dun ka, ngayong first half ng 2025, magfo-focus ka sa finances mo. Magfo-focus ka sa pera mo, magfo-focus ka sa resources mo, magfo-focus ka sa yung mga ability, sa mga talents mo, skills mo. Kung paano mo pa yun mas mapapaunlad. It's all in divine order. Allow. How can you relax into the flow and go with the current of life? Yes. So, hindi ka na ngayon magre-resist sa pagbabago. You will also go with the flow, and at the same time, alam mo kung saang direksyon ka papunta. Hindi naman yung tipong clueless ka kung saan na lang. It's like, okay, isipin mo, okay, ito yung aking plano, pero kapag nakita mo na may challenge or may delays, gagawan mo ng paraan. Pero anything na beyond your control, you are going to surrender that. Kasi alam mong hindi mo na kontrolado yon. Kung ano lang yung kaya mong kontrolin, dun ka magte-take action. And if not, you will surrender and go with the flow. Okay? The collective field is impacting you, unseen forces in action. How can you relinquish control of the situation that feels blocked. O, diba? You will have this control dun sa mga blockages mo. Ano ba yung pwede mong ayusin na balakid sa buhay mo? 'Di ba? So for example, nagda-drive ka tapos may nakita ka, may nakaharang na semento or whatever sa kalsada. So pag kung tiningnan mo, chinek mo, kaya mo naman siyang buhatin at ilagay sa gilid, then lalabas ka sa sasakyan, iligilid mo yung bagay na yon na nagbablock sa'yo, and then go back to driving. But anything na hindi mo kaya, hindi mo na kontrolado on your own, then you will ask for help. 'Di ba? So, ganun lang ang sistema. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.